Okay, so this is the home on Seagull at 601 Seagull. This is the neighborhood. That's the neighborhood. Sorry, my battery's low. That's the front of the home. Okay. So you walk into the living room area. Done a great job with the wainscoting. Kitchen. Okay, and the countertop, that is not, I'm really not even sure what material that is, but it looks really nice. So you walk down to the left, you've got the master bedroom, which as you can tell is really large. They have their own couch and TV in here, so plenty of space. It's a hot water heater, and it looks brand new. Okay, master bathroom. Got little closets up there. I just wanted to show you the ceiling, so it's not a popcorn ceiling. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a textured ceiling. All right, so out here we have another, I don't think that this is an air-conditioned room. So they've got it set up like a little bar area. You've got your laundry room here. And then back here you just have extra storage. Backyard area. So it's a nice size little backyard. Okay, now we're walking back into the main part of the house. So just to show you the differences in the flooring. All right, here's the guest room. Another guest room. And these are larger rooms for an older home. Like that looks like it's a king size bed. And this is the guest bathroom. Tub. And then another bedroom. So this was probably originally the master, and they turned the other big room into the master because it actually has a little toilet area in there also. And here you've got the AC unit, so it's kind of odd. There is a little closet space right there, but I'm assuming that there's a little closet space. I want to look back in that other bedroom and see. Let's see what kind of closet space they have in there. Okay, so that is the biggest problem here. So I guess they're using this as a guest room and not their actual master, because it does not have a closet in here. So okay, that's Seagull. On to the next.